Do you know effective cash flow management ensures that a business has enough liquidity to cover day to day expenses, debt obligations, and unexpected emergencies, thereby promoting stability and resilience in times of economic uncertainty? Consistently managing cash flow effectively enhances a company's creditworthiness and reputation among lenders, investors, and stakeholders. In this video, we are sharing how to manage cash flow effectively. Well, cash flow refers to the movement of money in and out of a business over a specific period, typically measured monthly, quarterly, or annually. Suppose you run a small retail business. By forecasting your cash flow, you can anticipate seasonal fluctuation in sales, plan inventory purchases accordingly, and ensure you have enough cash to cover overhead expenses during slower periods. You can develop a comprehensive cash flow forecast by projecting future cash inflows and outflows based on historical data, sales projections, and market trends. Regularly update the forecast to reflect changing circumstances and business conditions. Let's take another example. If you're a service based business, invoicing promptly and following up on overdue payments ensures a steady influx of cash. Similarly, negotiating favorable payment terms with suppliers allows you to manage your payables effectively, optimizing your cash flow cycle. Keep a close eye on accounts receivables to ensure timely invoicing, follow up on overdue payments, and minimize outstanding debts. Similarly, negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers and vendors to optimize accounts payable management. As a small business owner, negotiating extended payment terms with creditors or suppliers can provide you with additional time to pay bills, thereby improving your cash flow position. Conversely, offering incentives for early payments from customers incentivizes prompt payment, enhancing your cash flow. Optimize inventory levels to prevent overstocking or stockouts, minimize carrying costs, and improve cash flow efficiency. Implement just in time inventory systems and negotiate favorable terms with suppliers to reduce inventory holding costs. If you were running an e commerce store, then as an owner of an e commerce store, regularly reviewing your cash flow statements allows you to identify trends, spot potential cash flow gaps or surpluses, and adjust your strategies accordingly. For example, if you notice a seasonal downturn in sales, you might implement marketing initiatives to drive traffic and boost revenue. Offer incentives for early payments from customers, implementing dynamic pricing strategies, and explore alternative payment methods to accelerate cash inflows and improve liquidity. Reduce reliance on a single source of revenue by diversifying products, services, or target markets. Expanding revenue streams can mitigate the impact of fluctuations in demand or market conditions. Effectively managing cash flow is essential for the financial health and longevity of your business. By implementing practical strategies like cash flow forecasting, monitoring receivables and payables, controlling expenses, and building cash reserves, you can navigate the complexities of cash flow management with confidence and agility. At last, please write in the comment box about in what ways you think effective cash flow management will positively impact other areas of your business, such as growth, profitability, or financial stability. Thanks for watching.